The Sport for Health initiative is aimed at improving physical activity to improve health and well-being among the population. Speaking at the launching of the event, Dr. Saidou Camara of the World Health Organization said the prevention of non-communicable disease requires the embrace of physical activity. Dr. Camara revealed that globally, 57 million people die every year due to non-communicable disease.
Being physical active means you are going to contribute to reducing the burden of non-communicable disease, meaning that 800,000 people or more will be reduced, or we don't have it at all, because people are active. And when you are active, I'm sure Dr. Bite will come and say more about that. When you are active, we know that you are going to be prevented. In fact, the diabetes that we are talking about, the hypertension, you name them, they are all risk factors for non-communicable disease. But in another level, which is the metabolic one, but this one is the behavioral one. So therefore, there is a long-hanging fruit. These are behavioral risk factors that can be tackled by human beings themselves.
The executive director of the National Sports Council, Marcel Mendy, commended the governor and his team for successfully organizing the Sport for Health initiative in the region for the first time, emphasizing the importance of exercise in building health and well-being.
I mean, the figures we heard Dr. Gassama mention here are quite frightening, ladies and gentlemen. Are quite, a reason for us to start engaging ourselves in physical activity if we've not been doing that. It is overwhelmingly important, ladies and gentlemen, that we are involved in physical exercise so that we bring down our medical bills. The doctors are overwhelmed. You go to the hospital, sometimes we are very quick at blaming them and pointing fingers at them, but I can tell you for free that they are always overwhelmed by the number of patients that they have. And one way of ensuring that that reduces is to embrace physical health or physical activity.
The Director of Health Services, Dr. Mustafa Bitte, expressed delight in the initiative, saying more physical activity will reduce and prevent non-communicable disease and promote the well-being of the population.
Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining good health and preventing various non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Unfortunately, sedentary lifestyles have become increasingly common in our modern society, leading to a rise in these health conditions. The Sport for Health initiative seeks to address this issue by encouraging individuals to engage in regular physical activity through sports. It has been said that there are other mechanisms, but we are using sports as our conveyor.
The governor of the region, Sambaba, commended the participants while reminding the people of the health figures highlighted by Dr. Gassama, which he said raised alarm and the need for people to embrace physical exercise.
Dr. Gassama has enlightened us. He is not making us frightened, but he is just telling us that this is what is happening in the world and we need to work on ourselves in order to avoid or reduce the percentage that he mentioned. And this would not cost us anything. The only thing that it is going to cost us is to take only 1 hour of our time, and we are able to do that physical exercise and we become ourselves, rather than doing the hell lot of work in your office and at the end of the day using the whole of your salary to the hospital.
The Sport for Health initiative is banked on the theme, A Healthier Gambia for Sustainable Development. The initiative recognizes the importance of sport in improving the health outcomes and addressing various public health challenges, reducing risk factors of fatalities to non-communicable disease through an active society. Saidou Camara, reporting for GRTS News from Basse Upper River Region.